Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on HUAWEI Mate X6 II. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's begin with developer settings and a few things that we can change in them to gain some speed. So to do it, let's open up the settings. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find About Phone. And now we have the software version. Now we need to tap on it a few times. Now I also need to draw my screen lock to move forward, and now we can see that we are a developer. Now we have access into the developer options. Simply let's go back, click on System and Updates, and here we have our developer options. Now in here we need to find 4 specific options that we need to change. So let's scroll down, I'll show you which one. I think I missed the first. Okay, here are the first 3. It's the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, all of them are defaultly set on 1x, and to improve the speed of our device, we can simply adjust them. We can completely turn them off, all 3, or put them on 0.5. Don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For my personal opinion, 0.5 is like a perfect balance between 1x and off, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll select everything on 0.5. Now let's scroll down, find the apps and background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but we can select at most 3 or at most 4 for the best performance. And that's all when it comes to the developer settings, so we can go back now. Now let's go to the app side and let's open up the storage, and in here let's perform a cleanup. It's always good to take a look from time to time. Do we have something to do? We can, for example, compress one group of files of 400 megabytes. Simply select them and click on compress. Okay, freed up storage 400 megabytes. So it will definitely help with the performance of our HUAWEI. Now we can also clean up the junk files. As you can see, 50 megabytes also has been cleared. We also have the duplicated files. We can click on cleanup and delete the duplicated file. Click on delete, and now that's all. When it comes to the storage, also if you want, you can delete something from the cloud, but it's not the thing that will affect your performance of your device. Okay, now let's click on Apps and Services, click on the apps, and now simply, if you have some of the apps that you're not currently using or you use them very rarely, you can simply uninstall them. Remember that some of those apps are the system apps, so it's impossible to uninstall them, but if you have some of your apps, you can simply uninstall them. Thanks to that. Also, some apps have a possibility to clear up the cache. For example, the Yandex doesn't provide that, but some of the apps such as Facebook, Google Chrome, or any browser should have that possibility. Maybe I'll find something which has, maybe the Piddle will have that option, so let's click on storage. Actually, don't. Only remember not to clear the data, only clear cache. And don't worry, clearing cache won't delete your data. So have that in mind. Alright, that's when it comes to the apps. Also, you don't need to uninstall them from the app level. You can always click on your app, hold on it, and in here you can uninstall it. Okay, now let's click on the optimizer. And from time to time you can see and check, do you have something to optimize. Currently everything is on 100%, so it's impossible. Also from here we can get access into Cleaner. Okay, also when you're using your device for a long time, there's a chance that you'll have a lot of apps opened in the background. Simply open up the recent apps, and if there are a lot of them, simply close them. Thanks to that you also free up the RAM, and thanks to that your device might work a little bit faster. Also, you can try to download some third-party cleaning apps from the app gallery. Simply type cleaning or cleaner, and I'm sure that you will find some app that will help with cleaning of your device. It's not necessary. Before downloading, it's always good to check the reviews about the app, so I'll leave it to you. Okay, and the last thing that I'll show you is a simple reboot of your device, because during the reboot you close the processes that are running in the background. Also the RAM gets freed up. Basically the rebooting system is like a rest for your device. I think if you reboot your device once a week, it will be completely fine, and you don't need to do this more often. Alright, so to reboot the device, first open up the power menu. We need to hold the power button. Okay, now tap on the restart. Oh, it didn't work. Tap on the restart, tap once again. As you can see now, the screen has turned off, and now within a second our device will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.